Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you an A&E Rotary desk telephone. This is Face Telephone from New Mexico, and it's a really cool color. They always have really cool colors in the Southwest, and this is just a really perfect example of a Southwest color. And so what we're going to do is do some checks on this telephone. This is the initial checkout, and this is in very good condition. So we're going to go ahead and ring the telephone. She's got a note that she sent in that she had bought this telephone somewhere, but it would not ring. So what we're going to do is go ahead and try to ring the telephone, and every time this red light lights is a ring cycle that goes by, and sure enough the telephone isn't ringing. I'm going to give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers here if you watch the analyzer. I'm going to end in a 2, and I'm going to go ahead and transmit into the handset. And if you watch this red light on the analyzer, that's 100% modulation every time I transmit. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello. So we know the telephone is receiving, transmitting, and it's dialing out. Problem is it does not ring. So someone installed this line cord and then a little modular adapter. So what we want to do now is I have the telephone loose, the base from the cover, and we're going to go ahead and check this telephone out. We'll set the cover in the back here, and I'm going to spin it around, and that's why it doesn't ring. There's no bell in it. And so we're going to go ahead and install a bell. I'm going to talk to Faith about it. Probably any bell would do, so it's not a big issue. It's a larger style desk telephone, so we should be able to fit, like, say, a Western Electric dual bell in this telephone. So we'll probably be doing that. I want to show you a little, for those that don't know about this, on the dials on the A&Es, on certain telephones they had an ideal. Instead of, like on a Western Electric, you would take a couple of screws out and pull the dial out. You just push down, and now the dial is out. They kind of just clipped in. Very cool ideal. Nice design. So anyway, this kind of gives you a look at the telephone. And this is the initial checkout. This telephone looks to be very clean, but we still want to go through the rotary here, and I want to clean that up and make sure that we oil it and get it all ready for Faith, because she wants to use this telephone, I'm sure. And it's a really great find, and what a cool color, you know. You don't see these very often in this color. It's just a great telephone. I want to show you here how good a condition it's in. It's got your automatic, and then it has the automatic electric logo, and then it says electric, and then USA. So it's in very good condition. Just a great telephone, really. And we'll get Faith squared away. We're going to take a short break. I'm going to find a bell that we can install in this, and then we're going to kind of do that and maybe get a sticker. On these A&E center dial rings, on a Western Electric, you would pull the dial off and put your card in, and then that would have your number on it. On these A&Es, the ideal was a sticker. They would put a sticker on there, and then when you changed your number or wanted a different sticker, you just put one on top of that, or you scrape the old one off, because there is no plate that goes over the sticker or over the number card, because you have your screw here to take the finger wheel off. And so they just, on A&Es, they just put a sticker there. So probably what we're going to do is just do a white sticker, and that's going to make the telephone stand out even more because of the color, and just because this telephone looks like, it's in great shape. So it's a beautiful telephone, and it's gonna really look good when Faith gets it and she starts using it. I think she's going to be very happy she bought this telephone. So we're going to take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the telephone, and we have installed a bell in this telephone. We also went through the rotary and cleaned it, adjusted it, and made sure everything was dialing out properly, and that our ring was coming in good. So we're going to go ahead and do some final checks, and I'll go ahead and ring the unit now. I'll let it go one more time since that was the issue. Give you some dial tone. We'll go ahead and walk through our numbers if you watch the analyzer. I'm going to end in a 2. Now, we have this set up to where the bell will tinkle a little bit when you dial the numbers, and most people want that. So I will talk to Faith, and if she doesn't want that, then we will do something to stop that. But basically, most people want it that way, and it kind of goes with the period of the telephone in a way. Not that they all did that, but there was a lot of them that would tinkle the bell when you would dial out. So anyway, what we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and transmit into the handset. And if you watch this red light here, you'll see on the analyzer, that's 100% modulation every time I transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that the telephone has transmit and receive. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and pull the cover off, and we'll swing it around here and show the bell installed. Now, before there was no bell at all. It was totally missing. So now we have a bell in the unit. And we'll go ahead and ring that again. We'll go ahead and answer it, give you some dial tone, and we'll go ahead and put the cover back on now. This is a really cool color, a southwestern color, and Faith's got a really nice telephone here. So now what we can do is move the telephone over into a regular line. And we'll go ahead and call it time and temp.
Good evening. Shop online anytime at Offenburg.com. A short drive to great value. Today is Friday, May 4th. The time is 8:14. Current temperature 86 degrees. Now the Belleville area weather forecast. Tonight and Saturday, partly cloudy skies, a 30 to 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows tonight upper 60s, Saturday's high around 90.
Okay. So now what we can do is also call my number, give you some dial tone. and it'll be busy. We'll call one other number, and we don't need nothing from there. Some dial tone.
Thank you for calling Walmart.
Okay, so now that the telephone is finished, Faith can enjoy this telephone, and you know, it's just a really cool telephone, and you don't see this color very often, and you know, it's just anybody would like to have this telephone. A nice automatic electric rotary dial telephone, desk model, and in a really cool color. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.